Bollinger Bands are a popular technical analysis tool that is used by traders and investors to analyze and predict future price movements in the financial markets. Created by renowned trader John Bollinger in the 1980s, Bollinger Bands are widely regarded as an effective indicator for short-term trading strategies.
Hello, Patrick Mansfield at AIinvestings.com. Patrick, this is Stroke Pat. Anyways, we are going to do the chart, the Bolling chart, and the English lady is going to be the voicemail once I'm done here. Right now I'm going to go over a little bit of, let's say we're going to do the quote, which is the boil. This is all going to be used as the chart. The boil, B-O-I-L, to leverage natural gas long. And so anyways, what we want to go over quickly, just to go over this an idea. I'm not saying, okay, do the boil and that's it. You can use pretty much whatever quote you would like. Anyways, I'm going to use the boil because it has the to leverage and it's going to be a little bit up and down, up and down. Anyways, quickly, the boil, it is the natural, let's see, the natural gas is about, it's a BTU, British Thermal Unit. It's about $3.37. It's been about $2.50 over the past 2 or 3 months, $3.37 now. 2 years ago, it was close to 10. And anyways, to kind of give you a little idea with this stuff, the charts, yeah, it can help you out a day or two, but it's a big scam. The hedges, the banks, hedges, screw you out big time. Depends if you can do this. Anyways, what is the bank hedge between this natural gas stuff? Here's the deal, as quickly as possible. Let's say Southwestern, it's a great natural gas. I think number 2 or number 3 natural gas of all time. Anyways, what they do is they hedge. So let's say SWN is 80% of his hedge. That means, all right, here's what we're going to do. The bank is going to say, okay, with that, SWN Southwestern and SWN is the quote. Okay, so quickly, I got to do this quick. Anyways, so, okay, so now the hedge is the bank saying, okay, for $3.25, Southwest gets the $3.25. So let's say production and everything is $2.75. 50 cents is equal for you, for Southwest, to do whatever you want. The capital is for you. It's great. Anyways, that's the hedge. That's what usually happens. Now, the last 2 years ago, the hedge just went way, way up. I'm wondering, okay, the bank hedges, are they in charge of this? I mean, it costs the natural gas and the heating and everything else has gone way high up. Now it's actually more normal, but 2 years ago it was 10. And we said it was Russia, this and that. Well, let's just say this. The production is about the United States, and that's about it. Okay? Let's just go with, so now if they're $10 BTUs, 10, and they get $3.25, they get the $7.75 off the 10. I mean, billions of dollars off these banks get this big bucks. And I'm going to say the natural gas companies, I would say on average about totally of about 70% of these hedges are into the banks. Anyways, another thing too quickly, then we're going to be off onto something else. It is the TCF, the trillion cubic feet. Okay, so now when the production goes out 2 years ago, well, let's say a little bit 2 years, okay, with the Russia, Ukraine stuff. All right, now remind you that the production is 12 TCF, trillion cubic feet. It is it is not 10%. It's 90% of the production is United States, and that's it. And they did 4 times the natural gas. It's a scam. How can you do this? Well, you got to be like them. Got to go with them, unfortunately. Right now, if I was you, I would think about the boil. And we're going to go over the charts and go from there. Anyways, that's it for now. I talk to you real soon. Have a good one. I'm going over to the female chick. The female voice, and you're going to be about the Bolling Bands, so that's going to be expensive. It's going to be nice to see, hopefully much better than what I can. It's going to be edited by Patrick Mansfield. Good day.
Bollinger Bands consist of 3 lines, a middle band, an upper band, and a lower band. The middle band is a simple moving average, SMA, of the asset's price over a specific period, usually 20 days. The upper and lower bands are calculated by adding and subtracting a certain number of standard deviations from the middle band. When the price is trading near the upper band, it is considered overbought, and a reversal or correction to the downside may be imminent. Conversely, when the price is trading near the lower band, it is considered oversold, and a reversal or bounce to the upside may occur. Traders often look for price rejections at these key levels to enter or exit trades. Additionally, Bollinger Bands can be used to identify the beginning and end of trends. When the bands start to expand after a period of contraction, it may indicate the start of a new trend. Conversely, when the bands start to contract after a period of expansion, it may signal the end of a trend and the potential for a reversal. Another way to utilize Bollinger Bands is to look for the contraction of the bands as a precursor to a significant price move. This is known as the Bollinger Squeeze. When the bands squeeze together, it indicates that the market is in a period of low volatility and a breakout is likely to occur. It's important to note that Bollinger Bands are not foolproof and should be used in conjunction with other technical indicators and analysis techniques. Like any technical tool, they have their limitations and can provide false signals. In conclusion, Bollinger Bands are a valuable tool in a trader's arsenal. They provide insights into price volatility, overbought and oversold conditions, trend identification, and potential breakout opportunities. By understanding and utilizing Bollinger Bands effectively, traders can make more informed decisions and increase their chances of success in the financial markets. AI Investings is not a registered investment advisor, providing website services through its website www.aiinvestings.com. By using the site or downloading any information from the site, the user agrees to the terms and conditions mentioned herein. The site provides information relating to financial and investment issues. The information published on the site is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Users may avail paid membership services for personalized recommendations, opinions, and suggestions. AI Investings. The Bolling Bands are technical analytics, a beginner's guide by Patrick Mansfield.